Hi, in this session let us solve a problem on cycloid. So here is the question. A coin of 40 diameter rolls over a horizontal table without slipping. So when a coin, which is nothing but circular in profile, rolls over a horizontal table, so nothing but a straight line. So the curve generated is nothing but cycloid when you trace the path of that contact point. So a point on the circumference of the coin in contact with the table surface in the beginning and after one complete revolution. So they are asking you to draw cycloid for one complete revolution. Draw the path traced by the point. Draw a tangent and normal at a point 25 from the table. So you need to draw the cycloid for one complete revolution, and you need to start from the contact point of that table and that coin, and you need to draw tangent and normal at a point 25 from the table, right? Let us solve this problem. First open AutoCAD software, click here, new. So AutoCAD drawing template I did took. So now first let us give the dimension settings. D enter, modify, lines, under lines. I am taking the gap between the extension lines and the object, so I am making it 5. Symbols and arrows, I am keeping arrow size as 2.5. Next, giving text height as 2.5. ISO standard, so keeping the text above the dimension line. Primary ends, precision 0. Okay, set current, close. So the dimension settings are done. So now let's start. So it is given that, so you need to draw a cycloid and the diameter is given as 40 So when the diameter is 40 the radius will be 20. So take circle command. So just press C enter, specify the center point and give the dimension value as 20. So you have drawn for 20 radius, that is 40 diameter. So just moving it here. Okay. Now what I am doing is taking line command. Okay. From the center, drop a vertical line. Make sure it is vertical. Switch on to ortho. So this is the point of contact, right? So now from here, you need to draw a horizontal line. Okay. So for one complete revolution, it will take 2 pi r length or pi into d length. So if you calculate 2 pi into radius is 20 or diameter is 40, pi into 40, so it will be around 125.71. So 125.71, enter. So this is the table. Okay, this is the circle or coin, right? So now what you need to do, so just select this one. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to go to polar array. Click on here and go to polar array. After that, it will ask you to specify the center point. Just read the command line. So just click the center point. So number of items with the circle drawn will be created. So 6 items are okay for me. Just close the array. If you want to change the number of items, you can change. So just select here. So you can change it 8 or 10 or 12 depending upon your wish. So I'm okay with 6. So now let us give the text dt, enter. It is asking you to specify the starting point. Specify the starting point. Okay, drag like that. So give the text height as 2.5 and it is asking rotation angle, give it as 0. It will be blinking. So you can go to the location and give the text P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and P point itself will be 6 point. You can write 6 here, or otherwise just cancel the command and double click it. So now you can write in bracket it is 6. You can do like this also. Okay, so now what you need to do, so you need to draw a vertical line from here like this. Okay, drop horizontal lines from each and every point. So drop a horizontal line from, it will also go through 1 also. So drop a horizontal line from 4, it will also go through 2. Drop a horizontal line from 3. You need to drop a line from center also like this. What are maybe the lines you found extra, just trim those. TR enter, just select those, it will be trimmed. So to differentiate the center line, I am giving different color. Okay, so here you need to divide this one into a certain number of equal parts. How many parts you need to divide? So you need to divide as many parts you have divided this circle. So if you have divided this circle into 6 parts, you need to divide this line, center line, into also same number of parts. How to divide that? Div, enter, select this, and it will ask you number of segments, mention it as 6. So after dividing, you are not able to see the segments. Why you are not able to see? Because you haven't switched on the point settings. PT, enter, it will go to point style settings. Okay, you can select any style you want. So here make sure you are selecting absolute units and the size is 2.5. So why you need to choose absolute units? If you choose relative to the screen, depending upon the screen size, you zoom in, zoom out, the point style changes. If you don't want to make it happen, click on set size in absolute units, click on OK. Now you are able to see. Let us mark these as centers. I want to repeat text, DT, double enter. This is C1, this is C2, this is C3, this is C4, this is C5, this is C6. Last center, the point style not got highlighted, you can give it PO, enter, just like that you can give it. Now what you need to do is, so just select this circle, okay, move from this center to C1. So when you move there, so it will be intersecting the line passing through one at particular point. So you need to mark that point. So I want to differentiate those. For that I'm taking red color. So then a point styles, whatever I give, so those will be in red color. PO, enter. So this is the point, right? So it is red in color. So if you want to differentiate, you can give like this. So if you want, that is point P1. So DT, double enter. Text will repeat. This is point P1. So if you want to have point P2, what you need to do? Shift the center from C1 to C2. So make sure you are hitting the center properly. Observe the circle is intersecting the line passing through at what point? At this point. So that point will be P2. So repeat the text. So this will be point P2. So if you want to have point P3, shift the center from C2 to C3. So it is intersecting at this point. So this is point P3. Repeat the text. Give it as P3, and if you want to have P4, just shift the center from C3 to C4. So it is intersecting here and here. The line passing through 4 is intersecting the circle here and here. So what you need to take? As the circle is rotating in clockwise direction, you need to take this point. Why? Because the point P4 is at equidistance. The point P4 is at equidistance from P3. So P3 to P4 distance and P3 to P2 distance are same, right? So if you want to have P5, just shift the center from C4 to C5. Observe the line passing through 5 is intersecting this one at which point? So at this point. So that will be P5. Repeat the text. So this is P5. So obviously the last point will be this one, okay? But let us check. So shift the center from C5 to C6 and observe where it is intersecting the line passing through 6. It is intersecting here. So where it got started here. So it got ended here. It started with P and ended with P here. So you can make it P or P6 you wish. So this is P6. So now bring back the circle to its original position. If you want, you can mark this as center C. Even if you don't mark, nothing wrong. Okay, so now if you join all this, you will get the curve. So how to join? So you can go here, draw, and you can choose this one, spline fit, or otherwise shortcut is SPL, enter. So when you are drawing curve, make sure ortho is off. So start from here, next point P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, press enter. So this is the curve. So if you want to highlight it, just select it, go to properties and select the line weight as 0.5. It will be good in PDF conversion. So even after selecting the line weight, it is not displayed. How to make it happen displayed? LW, enter, display line weight. So the line weight will be displayed. So whatever may be asked in the question, so you need to highlight that. It is asked to draw a cycloid. And from the table you are asked to draw tangent and normal at a distance 25 mm. So this is the table, right? So how to draw at a distance 25 mm? So just I will take offset command, just give distance 25, just select this line and click it here. So this is the line we have offset, right? It is intersecting this curve at 2 points. So this is one point, this is another point. You can draw tangent and normal at both the points. So I'm erasing this one. So I'm going to draw here. So this one is the location where I need to draw tangent and normal. This one, how to draw tangent and normal at this point? Let us see. Select this circle, copy it using center point. CO enter, select the center point, keep it at this point. So it is intersecting the center line, which is green in color, at a particular point from the drop of vertical line. Make sure ortho is on. So it will be intersecting here, right? So I will mark this one as N. Now from this N, join line to this point. Okay, so it is normal. Let us extend it. EX, enter, boundary edge. So I will select this one as boundary and click this line. It will extend. So let us highlight it. MA, enter, match properties. So just I am matching properties for giving same line weight. So that is normal. So N dash. So one end I have marked as N, other end I will mark as N dash. How to draw tangent? Just select this one, copy, CO, enter, paste it and rotate it for 90 degrees. 90. Choose the midpoint and paste it here. So represent the tangent with TD dash. DT, double enter, repeat text, T dash. It is over. The problem is over when you give the dimensions. So what is given in the problem, you need to mention that. So diameter is given. So select diameter is 40 and the dimensions. So it is 125.7 something, right? Around 126. So if you want to convert into PDF, Control P, or you can select plot also. So drawing to PDF. Next, choose A4 sheet. I am selecting this one, A4 sheet, which is portrait landscape in mode. So next, center the plot. So here make sure landscape is in on. Select window. So choose the least possible area. Okay, so see the preview. So if you are okay with the preview, click on plot and mention the location on documents, create a folder. Open the folder and give the file. I am giving file name as Cycloid. Save. It will be converted and it will be shown to you. Okay, so this is after conversion. So now you can see here. So this 0.5 mm line is different from those rest of the lines, right? If you need your specific problems solved step by step or personal doubt clarification, I provide one-to-one support, which is paid and with minimal fee. Faster response and clear explanation is guaranteed. From the courses like engineering drawing, computer aided engineering drawing or engineering graphics and engineering mechanics. For this kind of courses, you can contact to my WhatsApp number 8555 892165. Also, I am available for online and offline tuitions for the courses engineering drawing, computer aided engineering drawing or computer aided engineering graphics and engineering mechanics. For online tuitions, I will be available through Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, etc. For offline tuitions, I will be available within 15-kilometer radius of Kompally, Hyderabad, Telangana. Thank you all.